In this time of pandemic, I am aware that there's a lot of people who are suffering from mental health problems, breakdown, anxiety, and even depression. I know these people are silently seeking for help. That is why I am here, not just because I am a candidate of Mr. DComC 2021, but also I want to serve as their voice to address and lessen their burdens caused of this pandemic. I will use this platform to raise awareness regarding mental health issues because I believe that I am carrying the light in this darkest time and make an impact in the lives of many amidst uncertainty. Through sports, I believe that I can take them away from vulnerability. Playing games would be a great help in avoiding negativities that brings us nightmares and incapability. Let us sports be our silver lining to unite, connect, as well as to have a healthy mind, because having a healthy mind will set us free from psychological issues and will help us to be productive individuals. As we embark ourselves on the new challenges of our lives, it teaches us to be more resilient and be brave despite of adversities. May sports give us hope to continue our passion and be the way to uplift one another and express our love to everyone. I know that most of us are drained and struggling right now, but I am here reminding you to stand up and continue. Because I do believe that those difficulties we experienced are there to nurture the better version of ourselves. Now, break the barriers and step out in your own box. Call your friends, colleagues, and even your family. Play, have a bond, and cherish every moment of your life. Cheer up and don't let negativity ruin your life. This is Mark Ivan M. Magdaong from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies, Sophomore.